Hi J.McLaughlin, it's Glynis. I'm back. Headed to Miami this weekend for a quick trip. Come help me pack. I have a rule. I never check the bag. It's always a carry-on. And here's how I do it. I lay everything out so I know that everything I've laid out is interchangeable and I can mix and match as I go along, and I'm never in a panic that I don't have anything to wear. Everything that I have laid out here is part of our current collection at J.McLaughlin, and you're gonna love every single piece. So let's start. Let's start with nighttime first, because I think that's always the trickiest for women. I am obsessed with this dress, the Minna dress. She is so versatile, absolutely gorgeous in this gorgeous cotton gauze. She can be perfectly folded into a suitcase and not wrinkle. I'm gonna wear her either with this guy, beautiful little flat sandal, or if I'm feeling a little dressier, I may do the little block heel. This is an unbelievable shoe and so comfortable. So both really great options. And again, she can go right in. I always put a dress first, and she can actually go right across, which is perfect. My second dressy outfit, I call this the wild card, but I've got to bring these. Gorgeous floral pant. And there's so many things I can do with her. She can be worn during the day with a little V-neck t-shirt, or she can be worn at night. And I am going to probably break out the little strapless top here if it's warm enough for a really cute look at night. As far as bottoms, again, never travel without a white bottom. Our Clearwater jean is the perfect jean to do that with. It's great for the daytime, great for the nighttime, has a little kick flare. We love her. Great new pleated short. I may even do the little strapless top with her as well. The opportunities are endless here, so we'll see when we get there. Never leave home without our Brit linen blouse. I mean, this has been through the ringer this year. I travel so much for work that I take this everywhere. It's like my favorite piece. And I use her for many things. I will go down to the pool over a bathing suit and I throw this on with a pair of jean shorts, dressier with the white jeans or the white shorts, so super easy. And always white. Always, always, always I bring white when I'm going on a warm vacation. Another piece I never leave home without is my V-neck linen tee. She's amazing. I bring her in navy and white. So as you can see, I keep my color stories very concise and always pair it back to a neutral shoe. So I never have a question. I'm always like, there's options here. My favorite new piece of our April delivery is our white blazer. She is also in the same fabric as the strapless top, so I may wear the strapless top underneath her. I could put this on over the strapless top with the floral pant if it's a little cooler that night. I may wear her the shorts. I may actually wear her on the plane, so I'm actually gonna keep her out. And I'm super excited to actually introduce everyone to our J.McLaughlin Times Print Fresh collaboration that we did. This is one of my favorite prints. I like to sort of get a little wild with my pajamas because it's just fun to wake up and say, oh, this makes me happy. And these make me super happy. Cute little short set, perfect for Florida, love her. And then lastly, but not least, I pack my shoes. I never pack the soles on the inside because they're dirty, but I do wipe everything down before I put it in. So we'll stick those right there. My Nolita sandal, which I'm obsessed with. These are actually from last year. This year we have a little bit of a lighter one, which I just haven't had time to get, but they're amazing. These I will probably wear on the plane. And then here's our little block heel that we talked about. Perfect room for her. We're ready to go. My favorite. Now, I only take one bag, and it's gonna be this bag. This is all I need for this trip. It's a long weekend. I don't need to bring 16 bags. This is amazing. My JMcL tote that I also don't leave home without. I've used this on every trip since I've gotten her. I have her in white, I have her in blue, now we have her in orange. She's coming on the plane with me. She'll go under the seat. My computer will go in there, my wallet, all of my important things, my makeup, my toiletries, and my wicker bag. And I'm ready to go. Ciao.